morena do sorriso encantado, tem uma beleza extrema e o cabelo cacheado. Me apaixonei no teu sorriso bobo, te amei pelo caráter e não foi pelo seu corpo. Quando eu te vi pela primeira vez, pensei com uma mina da hora. Confesso, me apaixonei e me encantei no teu jeito de olhar. Eu quis até parar um tempo e nunca mais te abandonar. Eu me assustei quando você disse que ia embora. Meu peito congelou e a lágrima caiu na hora. Você disse, meu amor, vai ficar tudo bem. Eu vou guardar o teu sorriso no meu coração também.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to DPGM Customs. So, let's introduce ourselves. I'm the one who's trying to keep the channel on track. He tries, and he's doing a good job, honestly. Then there's him. I'm the one who says what everyone's thinking, just in the worst possible way, yeah. He's honest, very honest, sometimes aggressively honest. And finally, we have the positive one. I'm here to see the good side of things. I appreciate effort, ideas, and different perspectives. Yeah, someone has to keep the optimism dangerously high. In this channel, we talk about cars, engines, brands, whatever. But you will always hear three sides of the stories. One realistic, and one hopeful, and one trying to make sense of both. We won't always agree. Actually, we almost never agree. But that's what makes it interesting. If you like honest conversations with a bit of sarcasm and some positivity, welcome to DPGM Customs. Welcome to DPGM Customs. But this was fucking bad. Yeah, this was really bad. Oh, this was really bad. I don't think it was that bad. Why is everybody so depressed? I'm not depressed. Me either. I mean, it's great you put so much work on something, it still looks so shitty. It's great. I mean, you're at the start, it's kind of normal, right? It's getting better. Who says positivity? Wanna build a camper and rise around the world? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, just put some videos about work and just leave it. Yep. Don't worry, it's gonna pay off. I hate this guy. Yeah, let's do that. Maybe I should start to speak about what we are doing right now. I'm currently rebuilding an 8 series engine. Great engine. It's about the M70 V12. It was found in the 8 series E31 and 7 series E32. Was it E32? I'm rebuilding the engine because it had a knocking noise. There has been a problem with the camshaft. I'm trying right now to show you. The most important to me is to be transparent, to show you what mistakes I've done. I'm trying to keep it as clean as possible so I don't cut too much out, because I don't want to look perfect. The people should see what actually happens in a workshop, or better said, in a small workshop like mine. I'm kind of the guy who loses his tools a lot, and I thought about it. It could be funny if I just record it and put it online. Let's see. Right now, I hope you get a clear picture of it to understand that not everything is perfect. Nothing works like the plan is made. Because social media, it's a little bit of a lie. Real world, it's much more interesting. So let's get into it.
Foi pelo seu corpo. Uma morena do sorriso encantado, tem uma beleza extrema e o cabelo cacheado. Me apaixonei no teu sorriso bobo, te amei pelo caráter e não foi pelo seu corpo. cabelo cacheado. Me apaixonei no teu sorriso bobo, te amei pelo caráter e não foi pelo seu corpo. Quando eu te vi pela primeira vez, pensei com uma mina da hora. Confesso, me apaixonei e me encantei no teu jeito de olhar. Eu quis até parar um tempo e nunca mais te abandonar. Eu me assustei quando você disse que ia embora. Meu peito congelou e a lágrima caiu na hora. Você disse, meu amor, vai ficar tudo bem. Eu vou guardar o teu sorriso no meu coração também. Uma morena do sorriso encantado, tem uma beleza extrema e o cabelo cacheado. Me apaixonei no teu sorriso bobo, te amei pelo caráter e não foi pelo seu corpo. Uma morena do sorriso encantado, tem uma beleza extrema e o cabelo cacheado. Me apaixonei no teu sorriso bobo, te amei pelo caráter e não foi pelo seu corpo. Uma morena do sorriso encantado, tem uma beleza extrema e o cabelo cacheado. Me apaixonei.
There has been just a little bit of material use. You have to change them, you can leave it like that. It's a safety issue for the engine, so there are two ways to handle this problem. One is to get them refurbished, which it's expensive in Germany. Or the second one, to get new ones. The problem is BMW doesn't have the left side anymore, only the right side. So the only one who's still doing camshafts for the engine that have a higher quality, it's DBDS. It's a sport camshaft. Yes, more material on it, so the valves are opened longer time. I mean, this engine still doesn't have a lot of horsepower, but maybe we get like 10 horsepower more out. It's not much, but it's the best decision you can take. Refer to price and quality. So let's take those out.
Como el negro zumba, yo soy tu cuco, tengo mi truco, conocido mundialmente como el maluco. Aunque digan que soy un bandolero donde voy, le doy gracias a Dios por hoy estar donde estoy. Y voy a seguir con mi tumbao y con mis ojos colorados, con mi gente activado. Ustedes todos me lo han dado. Mira, diablo, qué cherreo. Me dieron fama y apuntaron el dedo. Ya no era el rey del perreo, ahora soy el sabio artista del deseo. Que me vieran preso, dos dijeron no lo creo. Yo no les creo a su sistema cuadrado. A mí me señalaron por vivir relajado, y yo aquí cantando, soñando, volando. Si nadie es perfecto, ¿de qué me están juzgando? Ya sé con mi vida lo que cualquiera puede, vivir como quiere, tener sus placeres. Mi gente, yo no soy distinto a ustedes, y hoy en día soy cantante porque ustedes quieren. Me dieron la primera plana, hablaron de ritmo, cultura y cosas raras. Solo quedará en su mente clara cuando crezcan donde yo crecí, se críen donde me criaba. Diablo, me duele tanta baba, duele tanta baba. El no juzgarme se les agradece, el beneficio de la duda cualquiera merece, tío. El no juzgar no se les agradece, el beneficio de la duda cualquiera merece. Aunque digan que soy un bandolero donde voy, le doy gracias a Dios por hoy estar donde estoy. Y voy a seguir con mi tumbao y con mis ojos colorados, con mi gente activado. Ustedes no me lo han dado. Oye, a la gente le encanta sacar pellejo, unos por pasión, otros por consejero. Darle a la palabra suelta el lapicero, haciendo dinero sin mirar el compañero. Yo no soy un santo, pero voy en clave. Estoy pagando todas mis maldades. Estoy aquí tirando pa'lante. Como quiera que lo ponga, hago menos mal que antes. A ti lo que te duele es que trataste, luchaste, te superaste, pero te olvidaste de que allá arriba el grande nos mira. El único que juzga es el que nunca discrimina. Y yo no he visto Balmaní ni Bando. Yo no. Calle Corazón no se les agradece. El beneficio de la duda cualquiera merece. Aunque digan que soy un bandolero donde voy, le doy gracias a Dios por hoy estar donde estoy. Y voy a seguir con mi tumbao y con mis ojos colorados, con mi gente activado. Ustedes todos me lo han dado.
So, as we come to the end of the video, thank you for staying here. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you caught some interesting things about it. Maybe I'm gonna explain more next time. But for right now, just my first time, so leave a comment, give me an input. What should I get better and what did I wrong? But I had a lot of fun filming everything, editing everything. No, he didn't. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. So, let's introduce ourselves. So, let's introduce ourselves. Bah.